Now available at McCarthy Cars, a 2009 Audi Q5 TDI turbo diesel with a 240 horsepower 3.0 engine Quattro. The vehicle is in metallic black finish. It's got a 19-inch of Audi alloy wheels. It's got front and rear parking sensors, 2 exhaust pipes, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, front view of the vehicle. It's got front forks and the front parking sensors, as I mentioned before. Moving to the interior, it's got a matching full black leather with a 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a center armrest, rear center armrest with 2 cup holders, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. It's got twin electric seats, both driver and passenger side, with a electric lumbar support. Seats are very comfortable. It's got electric windows and mirrors, auto headlights, the vehicle has covered only 50,000 miles. Got the automatic gearbox, center armrest, phone preparation under it and some storage. Handbrake in the central console. It's got satellite navigation. Excuse me. Bluetooth connectivity. Then if you go to the media, you can see it's got a jukebox, SD card slot. Oh, there you go. It's got a button. 2 SD card slots. DVD player. I mean, you can watch movies on the screen while you are parked. Then it's got heated seats, air conditioning with a climate control, ESP traction control. You can choose the driver mode, just dynamic, individual or comfort, or you just leave it on auto. Obviously it's got power in steering wheel, and the steering wheel is soft, very soft for 4x4. It's got multifunctional steering wheel, the voice commands on the right hand side. Then the cruise control in there. So this is pretty much it. This was the quick overview of the Audi Q5. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.